Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Building Your First AI Model. A practical example. Imagine teaching a computer to learn like a child. Instead of giving it explicit instructions, we show it examples and let it figure out patterns. That's AI. Think of it as building a super smart recipe book where the computer figures out the recipe itself, rather than following exact instructions for each dish. We'll use Python and simple libraries to do this. Just like a recipe needs ingredients, AI needs data. We'll use a dataset of housing prices, things like size, location, and the final sale price. This data is our training material. We'll download it and see what it looks like. It's just a spreadsheet in reality. Scikit-learn is a Python library. Think of it as a really sharp chef's knife. It gives us the tools to easily build and train our AI model. It simplifies complex processes, making it easy for even beginners to use. We'll use Scikit-learn to train our model on the housing data. This means showing it all the examples and letting it find relationships between house features, size, location, and prices. It's like the computer is trying to figure out which ingredients lead to a tasty dish. After training, we need to test how well our model learned. We'll use some new housing data the model hasn't seen before. How accurately can it predict the prices? Accuracy will help us understand how good our AI recipe is. We'll get numbers representing accuracy. Percentage correct. Now we can use our trained model to predict house prices. Give it the details of a new house, and it will estimate its value, just like a real estate agent. This is the power of AI, using past data to predict future outcomes. This is just the beginning. We've built a simple AI model. There are many more types of AI models and datasets to explore. We can use this foundation to build even more complex and sophisticated AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.